What's my full name? Kellyanne Northey. Yeah. She's very friendly, very nice going lady. Yeah. She takes me shopping and helps me to get the budget for the shopping, like the cheapest thing to buy. Not the thing shows me not that much because it's too dear not to buy that. Yeah. Take me to the doctor. Take me to see my daughter. Yeah. We made chocolate brownies and a cake. She's a very terrific lady. Ring up Trust and Guardian for me, makes appointments with my daughter. Yep, spring rolls. Yep. We made by scratch. We've got the mince, the cabbage, and the noodle thing, and we've got the pastry from the Chinese shop, and we've got the egg, and we did a lot of that, and then we folded it, put it in the oil, and we ate it. Yes. All gone. No, because I've got to go to my friends and all our family. My friends want me to make some more. The team is Zest, the workers are Zest Care. They're very helpful, they're very friendly, easygoing. They're very good people. Yes, yeah. Because it's more helpful here. Yeah. Yes. We're going to the beach with my daughter and all that for swimming. Yeah. My son. See my son. Yeah. I can't wait to see my little boy. Yeah. He's going to be 13, 20 for May. Yeah.